Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can recover your Instagram account without email or phone number. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and open Instagram, and you want to go into the login section, and you can do that by clicking on your profile, and you can click add account, log into existing account. And next thing you want to do is to click on can't reset your password. The small blue words, click on can't reset your password, and it will take you to the help center. Now what you want to do is to scroll to a particular problem that is related to your situation, which is you cannot log in because your email is not accessible at the moment. Now what you want to do is click this was not helpful, and you can see what went wrong. And what you want to do is click on the solution doesn't work, and you'll be given a small section to type in your specific problem, and that is what we are going to do. Go ahead and type in the problem, which is that you cannot access your Instagram account and that your email and phone number are not accessible. And what is going to happen is that you will start having chats with Instagram, and they will verify your identity, and eventually you will receive your account if it belongs to you. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.